90% of new chainsaws are garbage. Flushed face, yeah, people are buying brand new saws, and they won't even start. So what's going on? Chainsaws used to be powerful, durable, reliable. Now, cheap plastic, weak engines, and constant problems. First problem, cheap manufacturing. Companies are cutting costs, and you're paying the price. Second, modern fuel. Today's gasoline contains ethanol, and it can destroy your carburetor in weeks.
Come on. Come on, piece of junk. Come on. Come on, piece of junk. Piece of junk.